Adjusting the TV antenna.
So this here in the ceiling is your TV antenna. Now on here it tells you the directions to go for up and down. So to put it up, you just gently wind it round and round. It's very easy to do. If it is difficult, then there's something caught, so stop. And then you will feel it also lock into place. So you'll hear it lock into place and you also feel that it becomes tight. Now sometimes in the Australian outback, reception isn't that great. So you do need to twist it side to side to get good reception. So you place your hands on this part, you pull it down and you can twist it. So it's going to head either north, south, east or west. There is a little part here which you need to align. The little triangle needs to be aligned before you can put it down. Now to put it down, it's just simply back the other way. Follow the arrows, nice and gentle. It's not difficult to do in any way, shape or form. If it is difficult, then it is obviously twisted. Now my golden rule with this, don't ever put it up in the wind, and I always put them down before I go to bed at night.